In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove OneDrive Quick Access. This feature, while incredibly useful for some, can clutter up your quick access area if you don't regularly use OneDrive or prefer a more streamlined file browsing experience. Whether you're tidying up your quick access menu or simply prefer not to have OneDrive appear there, this guide will walk you through the steps to remove it quickly and easily. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your File Explorer. This can be easily accessed from your desktop or by typing File Explorer into the Windows search bar and pressing Enter. Once you have File Explorer open, you'll notice a series of icons on the left sidebar. Among these icons is the OneDrive icon, representing your OneDrive folder's location among your local files and other drives. Now, the process to remove OneDrive from the Quick Access menu is surprisingly straightforward, but not immediately obvious. What you're going to do is right-click on the OneDrive icon located on the left sidebar. Right-clicking brings up a context menu that offers a variety of actions like opening a new window or viewing properties. For our purposes though, you're looking for the option that says Pin to Quick Access. If OneDrive is already pinned, which is why it's appearing in your Quick Access, you're actually going to look for an option that says Unpin from Quick Access. Clicking Unpin from Quick Access will immediately remove OneDrive from the Quick Access section of your File Explorer. Essentially what you've done is tell Windows that you no longer want OneDrive to be front and center every time you access your files through the File Explorer. It's a simple yet effective way to declutter your Quick Access menu. Now you might be wondering what happens if you accidentally unpin OneDrive and later decide you want it back. Or perhaps you're concerned about losing access to OneDrive altogether. Fear not, because unpinning OneDrive from Quick Access does not delete it or affect your stored files in any way. OneDrive remains accessible in the File Explorer under the This PC section, or by simply searching for OneDrive in the Windows search bar. Moreover, to repin OneDrive to Quick Access, if you change your mind, the process is just as simple but in reverse. Navigate to OneDrive under This PC, right-click on it and select Pin to Quick Access. It will reappear in your Quick Access menu as if it was never removed. One additional tip for managing your Quick Access is that you can also rearrange pinned items by dragging and dropping them within the Quick Access menu. This allows you to prioritize the folders and drives you access most frequently, keeping them at the top for easy accessibility. In conclusion, customizing your Quick Access menu by removing or adding items like OneDrive can make navigating your files and folders much quicker and more efficient, reflecting your personal preferences and working style. Whether you prefer a minimalistic approach or like having all your essential folders a click away, Windows 10 provides the flexibility to tailor your file browsing experience to suit your needs. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope it helps you customize your Quick Access menu to better serve your needs. Remember, personalizing your workspace, even in small ways, can significantly improve your productivity and overall satisfaction with your computing environment. Happy organizing.